Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is just gonna be a quick makeup tutorial on how to look Zoom perfect because everybody's doing Zoom virtual learning. So I just thought this would be a fun makeup idea look. Have a Zoom class I'm gonna attend later today. So we're gonna get Zoom perfect ready. So I have on my sweater because I want to be cozy for class, and I have my Dunkin', so let's go ahead and get started. So to prime our face, I'm just gonna go in with my NYX Multitasking Bear With Me Prime and Set setting spray because I just want to prime my face really quick. I've also just been loving priming my face with like a water or like a spray because I feel like it just makes my skin or makes my makeup on top of my skin look more natural. Alright, so now I'm gonna go in with my Glossier priming moisturizer. This will just help moisturize your skin and make your makeup look very skin-like and prevent it from like creasing and looking patchy. Okay, and so to get rid of these really bad dark under eye circles, we're gonna go in with our e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer because this is very hydrating on my skin and it provides full amazing coverage. So since it is full coverage, I try not to put too much, just a few dabs. And then I'm gonna go in with the e.l.f. concealer sponge. I actually think this sponge was made to be like a duo with this concealer, so yeah, this blended it out really beautifully. If you haven't already and you're like just a really big concealer wearer like me and you don't need like a full face sponge, go and get this sponge. You will honestly not regret it. It's just like perfect, like the perfect size for underneath your eyes. Now I'm just gonna take any excess that I had and put that around my nose because I get really red around there. So this is the e.l.f. Hydrating Concealer with this e.l.f. Concealer Sponge. Gives me a really natural, pretty, I'm alive look. Right, so now I'm gonna go in with this Makeup Revolution blush cream. This is in the shade Harmony. And this is just a really cool toned pink. Just because we're on Zoom and I don't want my blush to be like super poppy, so I think this blush color and this formula is great for Zoom. It just gives your cheek a little hint of pink. I'm just gonna put a little bit more in the center and on my nose. I'm kind of gonna connect like my blush to like my nose like this, just to make it look really natural. Now for bronzer, I'm gonna go in with this LA Girl Island Hottie palette. And I'm gonna go in with this color right here. This is like a really muted cool tone brown. And I'm gonna bronze up with that. This is a blush palette, but the brown in here is really pretty. I do this when I'm lazy and I don't want to contour my nose. Alright, so next is highlighter. I'm gonna go with my Glossier Haloscope in Quartz. This will just give me a really natural sheen because we're on the computer, so you don't want like a super blinding highlight. You just want a really natural sheen. The goal here is to make it look like you just woke up, but like in the most natural, flawless way. We're not gonna do eyeshadow today, so I'm gonna just put this on my eyes to make my eyes look super glossy and pretty. So now I just have the prettiest natural sheen to my skin. Now I look really dewy. Okay, so next is eyebrows. I'm gonna go in with my Glossier Brow Flick and just run this through my brows to create fake hairs. Okay, so that's all I'm gonna do is just create those fake-like hairs throughout my brows where anywhere is sparse to make it look really natural. Now that the face is all done, we're gonna go in with my e.l.f. Hydrating Coconut Mist. I love this. It just makes me look so dewy and makes my makeup like sink into my skin. Now I'm gonna go with my Maybelline Falsies Volume Express mascara. This actually used to be like my holy grail mascara. I used to use this all the time, like in middle school all the way through high school, but I still love this. I actually just like this when I want like a quick easy application for mascara. So this will just coat our lashes really quickly and make them super black and kind of lift them up, but nothing too crazy. All right, so now for lips, I want a really natural lip, so I'm gonna go with my Morphe 2 lip balm in the shade Feeling Rosy. I really like these. These are really hydrating and they tint your lip beautifully. So, all right, so now that your makeup look is done, you can throw your hair up with a clip. I love doing this for like a really quick hair look. I just take a clear clip. I think these are really cool. And clip my hair back like that for class and throw on my blue light glasses. Maybe take some hairs out to make it look natural. And you are all ready to go. I hope everyone's staying safe during this pandemic, and thanks so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video.